In today's fast-paced, consumer-driven world, the idea of minimalism might seem like the opposite of wealth building. After all, we're constantly bombarded with the notion that more is better, more stuff, more spending, more everything. But what if the key to true financial success lies in having less? Embracing a minimalist lifestyle isn't just about decluttering your space, it's about decluttering your life, cutting out the noise, and focusing on what genuinely adds value. When you strip away the unnecessary, you free up both your time and money, allowing you to invest in what really counts, your future. This video will show you how adopting minimalism can be a game changer for your finances, leading you not just to wealth, but to a life of purpose and fulfillment. Are you ready for a life filled with wealth, purpose, and fulfillment? Yes, then type the word yes in the comments right now. Go ahead and type yes. And when I see your comment, I will give you a reply. Then abundance will start flowing your way. Thank you for doing that. Now listen closely, because here we go. Slash your spending. The minimalist path to financial freedom building wealth starts with mastering your expenses, and minimalism offers a powerful yet simple approach to doing just that. It's not just about cutting costs, it's about changing the way you think about spending. When you adopt a minimalist mindset, your spending habits naturally shift. Suddenly you're no longer swayed by the lure of impulse buys because you're focused on owning only what truly enriches your life. This change in perspective can lead to saving hundreds, even thousands of dollars each year on things you never really needed. One of the biggest areas where minimalism can make a difference is housing. For most people, rent or mortgage payments take up a significant portion of their budget. By embracing a minimalist lifestyle, you may find that you don't need as much space as you thought. Downsizing to a smaller, more efficient home can reduce your housing costs by 20 to 30%, instantly freeing up money that can be redirected toward investments and savings. Another hidden benefit of minimalism is the reduction in maintenance costs. When you own fewer things, there's less to repair, replace, or upgrade. Many who have simplified their lives report saving up to 50% on these expenses. The result: more money in your pocket and less stress about upkeep. To jumpstart your minimalist spending habits, try a 30-day no-buy challenge for non-essential items. This exercise isn't just about saving money, it's about resetting your relationship with spending and discovering just how much you can live without while still enjoying a high quality of life. Supercharge your savings. As you cut back on unnecessary expenses, you'll notice something exciting. Your ability to save increases effortlessly. This is where minimalism truly shines as a wealth-building strategy, turning your newfound frugality into a powerful savings engine. With your expenses reduced, you'll suddenly have more disposable income to direct towards savings and investments. Many who embrace minimalism find that they can boost their savings rate by 20 to 30% or even more, which accelerates their journey to financial independence. It's not just about saving money, it's about building a robust financial future more quickly than you ever thought possible. Minimalism also encourages a focus on quality over quantity. Instead of buying lots of cheap disposable items, you invest in fewer, higher quality products that stand the test of time. For instance, a well-crafted pair of shoes might cost twice as much initially, but if they last 3 times as long, you're actually saving money in the long run. This smart spending approach ensures that your dollars go further, helping you keep more of your hard-earned money. Another key principle of minimalism is conscious consumption. Before making any purchase, minimalists carefully consider whether the item will genuinely add value to their lives. This thoughtful decision-making process helps you avoid wasting money on things that end up unused or quickly discarded. Instead, every purchase is intentional and aligned with your values and financial goals, ensuring that your spending supports your long-term vision too. Make the most of your increased savings, set up automatic transfers to move your extra funds into a high-yield savings account or investment portfolio. By doing so, you'll make saving effortless and ensure that your minimalist lifestyle rapidly propels you toward greater wealth and financial security. Master your money, achieve financial clarity through minimalism. One of the greatest advantages of minimalism in your financial life is the clarity it brings to managing your money with fewer expenses to juggle. Budgeting becomes a breeze. Suddenly you can see exactly where your money is going, making it much easier to spot opportunities for further optimization. This newfound clarity leads to smarter financial decisions and gives you stronger control over your finances. Minimalism also sharpens your focus on clear financial goals. When you're not constantly distracted by the urge to buy more, you can zero in on what truly matters to you, whether that's retiring early, starting your own business, or traveling the world. By cutting out the noise, you allow your financial goals to take center stage, making it easier to map out a path to achieve them. To create a minimalist budget, begin by listing your essential expenses, those things you absolutely need to live comfortably next. Allocate funds toward your top financial priorities. What's left can be split between savings, investments, and discretionary spending. This straightforward approach ensures that every dollar you earn is working toward your most important goals, bringing you closer to the financial freedom you seek. The hidden advantage of minimalism: a career boost. Minimalism isn't just about simplifying your living space, it can also give your career a powerful boost, indirectly fueling your wealth. Building journey by decluttering your life, you declutter your mind, allowing you to channel more focus and energy into your career growth and professional development. Many minimalists find that this streamlined approach leads to a surge in productivity and creativity. At work, with fewer distractions, you can perform at your best, opening the door to career advancements, promotions, and raises. A simpler lifestyle also means less stress, which can significantly improve your work performance. When you're not burdened by managing excess possessions or worrying about debt, you can fully concentrate on excelling in your career. But the benefits don't stop there. Minimalism frees up both time and mental energy, which can be redirected into side hustles or further education. This can create new income streams or enhance your job prospects, giving you even more opportunities to build wealth. Imagine using the extra hours you've gained from cutting out unnecessary activities to learn coding skills. This could lead to a higher paying job in the tech industry, or you might start a small online business with minimal overhead, adding a steady income source without significant upfront costs. By simplifying your life, you're not just making room for the things that matter, you're also setting the stage for career success, creating a powerful ripple effect that accelerates your path to financial freedom. Mindset makeover, the key to lasting wealth. One of the most transformative aspects of minimalism in wealth building is the profound shift in mindset it brings. At its core, minimalism cultivates a deep sense of contentment with what you already have, which helps to curb the constant craving for more that often leads to unnecessary spending. This doesn't mean you're settling for less. Rather, it's about finding true fulfillment in experiences, relationships, and personal growth, rather than material possessions. A cornerstone of this mindset is value-based spending. Minimalism encourages you to align your spending with your core values, ensuring that every dollar you spend directly contributes to your overall well-being and long-term financial goals. When your financial choices reflect what truly matters to you, you'll find that your money works harder for you, bringing greater satisfaction and security to align your spending with your values. Start with a simple reflection exercise. List the 5 experiences from the past year that brought you the most joy and fulfillment. Look for patterns in these experiences to uncover the underlying values they represent. Whether it's spending time with loved ones, traveling, or learning new skills, these insights can guide your future financial decisions, helping you prioritize what truly matters. By adopting this mindset makeover, you're not just saving money, You're creating a sustainable path to lasting wealth rooted in what genuinely enriches your life. Minimalism, at its heart, is about living with intention, and when applied to your finances, it becomes a powerful tool for building enduring wealth and happiness. Bonus benefits: the unexpected financial payoffs of minimalism. Minimalism isn't just about simplifying your life. It also comes with some surprising financial perks that can significantly boost your wealth-building journey. One of the first steps many minimalists take is decluttering, and this can actually be quite profitable. By selling unused or unnecessary items, you can generate a nice chunk of extra cash. This money can be the perfect jumpstart for your savings, an emergency fund, or even paying off debt, giving you a solid foundation for financial growth. Downsizing your living space or cutting back on appliances often leads to lower utility bills. Many minimalists report saving 10 to 20% on their energy costs simply by living more efficiently. These savings, though they may seem small at first, quickly add up and can be redirected toward your financial goals. Another area where minimalism pays off is in the kitchen. A more organized, minimalist approach to meal planning reduces food waste, which is a hidden drain on many budgets. The average American family wastes about $1,500 worth of food each year. By planning meals more thoughtfully and buying only what you need, you can save a significant amount on your grocery bills, money that could be better spent or invested. When you combine these small savings, they start to have a big impact. For instance, if you manage to save an extra $200 a month through minimalist practices and invest it with an average annual return of 7%, you could have over $104,185 in 20 years. These unexpected benefits of minimalism don't just improve your immediate financial situation, they set the stage for long-term wealth and financial independence. The road to maximum wealth isn't always paved with higher earnings. Often, the real key lies in optimizing what you already have. Minimalism offers a powerful framework for achieving this by cutting unnecessary expenses, boosting your savings, gaining financial clarity, sharpening your career focus, transforming your mindset, and reaping unexpected benefits. You can significantly accelerate your journey toward financial freedom. But don't mistake minimalism for a life of deprivation. On the contrary, it's about intentionally crafting a life that aligns with your deepest values and financial goals. It's about making choices that lead to greater satisfaction, not less. As you begin to implement these minimalist principles, you'll likely discover that you're not only building wealth, but also creating a more meaningful, fulfilling, and purpose-driven life. Minimalism empowers you to focus on what truly matters, turning your financial goals into reality while enriching your overall quality of life. If you would enjoy a better quality of life, then you definitely should subscribe to my channel. I truly want you to have the best life possible, and I will continue to do my best to help you achieve great success. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate it. Since you have made it to the end of this video, why not keep your momentum going and click on this video right here. Learn about what really separates the rich from the poor. Click on this video now and let's build big money.